Good morning, good afternoon to all the people across the globe. So this is Chola Crypto. Today, I will do a quick analysis of what Bitcoin is currently doing. Bitcoin is at 19,126 at this point of time, at minus 44, minus 0.44 percentage. So even last week I said Bitcoin should move about 20 22K for sure, given the fact there's a lot of good things happening and there are a lot of institutional interest at this point of time. Now, I have a very good news for me to back that. Yes, it got delayed from previous week, couple of days, one or two here and there. But given the fact, I'm not sure when it's going to run from here on. It might be today, or it might be tomorrow, or it might be Monday. Because given the fact I've seen Bitcoin for so long, and it suddenly, surprises everybody. The whole world will say, no, it's going to dump. It's dead, but it automatically stands on top. So currently, it is reacting, as I said, to S&P and NDX market, but when those two markets are falling, Bitcoin is expected to fall 10 times more than that. But Bitcoin didn't fall in that type, right? So now, given the fact that we are at 19,124, I have a strong news, which I see that Bitcoin might go up, and there is something happening behind the scenes, and this is one of the important uh, analysis from one of the CEOs of one of the major company like CryptoQuant. So I did see his tweet this morning, and so this is quite interesting here. In here, if you see, he has clearly advised that whales are accumulating BTC in Binance. So the Binance, the major exchange in the world, they are accumulating the whales. These are like multi-billion-dollar whales that I showed in my previous videos about the addresses and what they hold. There are uh, treasuries, public limited companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla. Governments are buying a lot of ETFs, like grayscales are buying at this point of time. So given the fact that since Bitcoin price at 20K level, that is wherever the level we are, Binance spot trading volume dominance skyrocketed. The spot trading volume skyrocketed, and it's now 84%. Before 11 hours, it was 84%. I'm not sure what the current number is. I have to go and check. But this guy is a very reputed guy in the industry, and he has updated it. The second biggest is Coinbase, which is 9%, hardly 10% of what Binance is doing. See it. So the whales, they understand that's the bottom. 8,500, 8,700 is the bottom. Now they are slowly accumulating. When the whales are accumulating, they make sure everybody in the retail space and everything are out of the space. They are out, and they will hold, say, about 60, 70% or 50% of the overall Bitcoin market. So as I told you, Bitcoin will be the is always the market mover as of now. So now what they'll do is they'll slowly accumulate. I'm not sure how many days or whether they've already accumulated. If it's 34, 84% of that the dominance got skyrocketed, I think they're almost there, and they are collecting a lot of bitcoins. Now they'll slowly start increasing the price by giving a lot of good news, by giving surprising news. So once that comes up, automatically the price will go up. So once the Bitcoin market goes up, other altcoins will go up. This time, when Bitcoin moves up 5 to 10%, the altcoins will move. The good projects which have which are community driven, which has got a lot of scope, will move 20, 30, 40%. That is what is expected. See, this is what I want to show you guys. And overall, the interest, see here, the bottom in the rainbow of where the Bitcoin was previously. See, it has hit the bottom in 2020, 5,000, and here back in 2015. This is all, there is not no much adoption at this point of time, but the adoption started very clearly from this space. So now I'll consider this as the lower point for this rainbow. We already hit the lower point here. So in all means, this is going to go up slowly. It's going to go up. It's not going to skyrocket immediately in a day or two, but I see a 20, 25, 26 coming very, very, very shortly. uh, Overnight, I'll say, matter of hours. Bitcoin moves very fast when it moves, so it's just matter of 20 minutes it can move to 25,000. So that's how things work in the Bitcoin market. So now, I'm not worried about this. After this dip, I'm not worried about this red mark that I already have, whether it will go down to 12,000, 13,000, because I have a strong data here which shows the whales are accumulating. All right. So see the Binance whales. See Coinbase is just 9%. Binance whale like 84%. So it is going up there. They are buying hard. So if they buy at 20,000, they sell only at 80,000, 90,000, 100,000. That's what the whales will do. They play all the games that they could play. So given all that, I'm very, very positive about it. And I see Bitcoin moving anytime from here on. It may be 24 hours, it might be 48 hours, it might be next week, it might be the November first week where the Fed is going to announce the basis points. I'm expecting the basis points to go this time on November 1st. The reason being November 8th, there is a midterm election. So from 75 basis points, they might bring it down. I'm not sure what the number is. It might be 50, it might be something else. But I'm very positive to go into November for Bitcoin, and hopefully the market turns upside down. And there is still 10 days in October. October is always October when it comes to Bitcoin, but still we have 10 days. As I told you, Bitcoin can move in a matter of minutes and hours. I'm just waiting for it. So hopefully this goes up soon, and we all should be fine. So thanks, guys. I hope that it is making sense. Whales are accumulating. Let's wait. As I always say, it's not financial advice. Crypto is a huge risk always, and do your own research and analysis based on that. Invest. It's your money. It's your hard-earned money. So make sure you invest the right way. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers. Bye.